There's some relief post the ceasefire announcement. Normal flight operations are expected to resume from the 15th of May, as in tomorrow, and operations are expected to normalize in 32 airports. Union Minister of Civil Aviation Ram Mohan Naidu chaired a review meeting with all airlines and senior officials, and the meeting focused on assessing the emergency response and future actions following the terrorist attack in Pahalgam on the 22nd of April. As the notam issued in response to the incident is set to expire on the 15th of May, which is tomorrow, the minister recommended that all airlines resume normal flight operations across the 32 affected airports from the same date. So according to the ministry, all airlines have responded positively to the suggestion and clear instructions have been given to normalize operations by tomorrow across airports which were impacted. Tanushka Datta joins you with the finer developments.
There are definitely flight disruptions, Radhika, because, going back to normalcy with respect to airport operations is not an overnight thing. It is a gradual process, and to ensure smooth transition, the authorities, the airlines and the ministry all are working together in tandem. Speaking specifically of the, border areas such as that of Jammu, Srinagar, Leh, Chandigarh, Amritsar in regions in Gujarat as well, these airports in these regions have still, not had fully functional operations, especially when airlines like Air India and Indigo had cancelled their flights to these areas to and fro these areas yesterday. And we do expect all these 32 airports to resume their operations from tomorrow onwards, which is when the notam for the closure of these airports ends, as said by Union Minister Ram Mohan Naidu as well in this meeting that he chaired with the airport authorities, the DGCA and the airlines as well. And they've all agreed that from tomorrow onwards, they all will be, trying to crawl back to normalcy. Flight operations, of course, flights have been disrupted and cancelled by Indigo and Air India, as I just mentioned. And what we also understand is that this kind of, going back to normalcy requires a lot of logistics, crowd management, flight operations, reallocation of staff as well. And all of this will gradually happen starting tomorrow. Back to you.